Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Are you looking for AI help to run your business? Today, we're comparing two popular options, Marblism and Sintra. Let's figure out which one works better for you. Both platforms give you AI workers that handle your daily business tasks. Think of them as virtual employees who work around the clock for your business needs. Marblism offers 6 specialized AI workers. You get Eva, who handles your emails and calendar, Penny, who writes blog posts and does SEO work, Sunny, who manages all your social media platforms, Stan, who finds sales leads and does outreach, Kara, who takes care of customer service, and Linda, who helps with legal documents. Sintra gives you 12 different AI helpers. They cover areas like marketing strategy, sales support, customer support, and various other business functions. Marblism is super simple. You describe your business once and the AI team starts working. No complicated setup needed. The workers learn your style and improve over time. Sintra feels like a game. The helpers chat with you, ask questions about your business, and suggest tasks they can do. It's designed for people new to AI. Here's where things get interesting. Marblism costs $39 monthly. That includes all 6 workers with unlimited use, no credit limits, or extra fees. Sintra starts at $39 for one helper. Want all 12? That's $97 monthly. They use credits for some tasks, which can get confusing. Marblism users love the value. They say it creates high quality content and saves tons of time. The receptionist feature that answers calls gets praised too. Sintra users like the friendly interface and easy setup, but some say the quality isn't great. Only about 20 to 30% is ready to use. For small business owners, Marblism wins. You get more value for less money, better quality, and no confusing credit systems. Sintra works if you're new to AI and want something that holds your hand, but be ready to edit a lot. Your budget, business size, and AI experience matter, but if you want best value with quality results, Marblism is the clear choice.